Welcome to our channel, where we unveil the secrets to building immense wealth from scratch. Today, we'll share with you the 10 proven steps that can transform your financial status and help you achieve extraordinary success. Step 1. Believe in your potential. Believe in yourself. Cultivate a relentless belief in your own capabilities, and remember that with discipline and persistence, you have the power to accomplish astonishing things. Step 2. Embrace financial education. Knowledge is the key to wealth creation. Invest in your financial education and stay up to date with the latest trends, strategies, and concepts. By understanding the intricacies of the financial world, you'll position yourself for success. Step 3. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Intentionally build a network of ambitious and successful individuals who share your vision. Surrounding yourself with like-minded people helps you grow, learn, and expand your horizon, opening doors to opportunities you might have never dreamed of. Step 4. Leverage technology and innovation. Embrace technology, whether it's in investing, budgeting, or staying updated with market trends. Technology can streamline processes, enhance decision-making, and keep you ahead of the curve. Step 5. Prioritize your mental and physical well-being. Take care of your mind and body. Prioritize self-care, as a healthy and balanced lifestyle boosts focus, productivity, and overall success. Remember, your well-being is your most valuable asset. Step 6. Practice smart financial management. Develop smart spending habits, budget wisely, invest strategically, and constantly evaluate your financial goals. By managing your money effectively, you'll be setting the foundation for long-term wealth accumulation. Step 7. Become an expert in your field. It's crucial to become an expert in your chosen field. Acquire in-depth knowledge, hone your skills, and become the go-to person in your industry. Expertise commands respect and provides valuable opportunities for financial growth. Step 8. Cultivate generosity and philanthropy. Wealth is not just about accumulating money, it's about making a positive impact. Embrace generosity and philanthropy, as giving back not only benefits society but also attracts abundance into your life. Step 9. Embrace risk and entrepreneurship. Embrace the unknown and step outside your comfort zone. Entrepreneurship entails risks, but it also holds immense potential for substantial financial rewards. Trust your instincts and venture into the realm of innovative business opportunities. Step 10. Celebrate success and cultivate an abundance mindset. Every victory, big or small, should be celebrated. Cultivate an abundance mindset, appreciating the wealth you've amassed and expecting even more prosperity to come your way. By following these 10 proven steps, you'll unlock your potential for extraordinary wealth, paving the way for an exceptional life. Remember, the journey begins with a single step. Stay tuned to our channel for more insightful content on wealth creation, personal development, and financial success.